Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and that way you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a document or a file in Microsoft Word. So first, you need to open the document or file that you want to print in Microsoft Word. Well, let's try this example document right here. Since we are going to print this file or document, the first step you should click in Microsoft Word is the File option or tab. It is located on the top left corner of your screen. There. Once you'll click the File option or tab, you'll see this options right here. All you have to click right after is the Print option. And here, this is how it looks like once you'll click the Print option. And on this part, you can actually click the print directly, in that way it will be printed out. But you need to make sure as well that you already click the right printer under this tab or option right here. And then you can also change the portrait orientation or the page orientation, the page size, and that's it. Just simply click that one and then it will be automatically printed. And there, that's how you print in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.